Just drop it into my hand for me. Perfect. Just relax it.
Oh, wow.
How'd that feel?
That felt great.
Just relax it.
Oh, wow.
Good. All right, go ahead, take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. How'd that feel?
Feels good.
One more time. All the way out. Perfect. Let's do it. So I'm going to hold you here. My legs are going on top of yours, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Okay, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. So you're going to put a nice little pull up. Go ahead, take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax it.
Oh, wow.
Good. How'd that feel?
That felt good.
Just relax it. Perfect. Bend the knee up. Perfect. Wow, that was a big release. Yeah. Just relax it. Perfect. Head all the way towards me. Now just relax that shoulder, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is just take control of the head here. Just drop it into my hand for me. Perfect. Just relax it.
Oh, wow.
How'd that feel?
That felt great.
Head all the way into my hand. Just relax that shoulder there, okay? Now just give me full control. Just relax the head into my hand. Just relax it.
That was loud.
How did that feel?
That felt good.
Just relax it.